going on, guys? TreyMay10 here, back with another Zox mystery pack unboxing. Ooh. I realized I'm wearing the same shirt that I was in the last video. That's not planned, but today I'm wearing another Stepping Stone double. And with this mystery pack I bought the new strap Let Freedom Ring, and I got number 6, guys. Let Freedom Ring with the eagle, From Sea to Shining Sea. There you can see the gold, and we've got like this burst of light kind of thing going on, and then this nice bald eagle. Yeah. And then on the inside, Let Freedom Ring. And it's got some more of that cool gold right there. But it came with a golden ticket. And on the back it says, collect and redeem 5 gold straps. Gold strap tickets for an amazing surprise. So hopefully we can get some more of those. You can see a little Kirby on there. That's their dog. Alright guys, and so now it's on to the mystery packs. And I was feeling around in them, in this middle one. I could feel what feels like 2 cards. So I'm thinking we might have another gold, or even better, a black star. So we'll save that one for last, and we'll go ahead and open up our first mystery pack. Oh, and we got a white star. Headstrong. Never underestimate the power of determination. Number 352. And it looks like kind of like a buffalo on the card there. And then so on here we've got this pretty cool geometric kind of design going on, which looks like it's down the middle of that bison's head I just showed you. And on the inside, Headstrong, with some more of that design. There's our little white star. Yeah. Alright guys, on to the second one. And we got another white star. Number 859, Busy Doing Nothing. Time well spent is never time wasted. That's a quote I like. And on here we've got a nice purpley sunset with kind of like some islands going on, a little moon setting. On the inside we've got Busy Doing Nothing, and then our little white star. Wow. This mystery pack's real hot so far. Let's see what our last one is. Is it a gold or is it a black star? And it's a gold. And we got Ankylosaurus mintonette, number 50. Bump, set, spike are terms that all originated after Ankylosauri discovered their love for mintonette, now commonly known as volleyball. That's one of the season 1 straps. Kind of a funny take on a bunch of different dinosaurs playing sports. So here we've got Ankylosaurs playing volleyball. beach volleyball. And there you can see Minternet, little Season 1 logo. Kind of hard to see on there, but it's there. Alright. So with this mystery pack in order, I went from 0 golden tickets to 2. So we're getting close. Hopefully I can get 5 of them and unbox the special, amazing surprise for you guys. Thanks for watching. As always, I'll have a link in the description for you guys to get a little, or for me to get a referral bonus. You guys get like $10 off a $30 purchase. So check that out if you're wanting to get in on the action yourself. And I'll see you next time.